Another winter day. We got birds. We got squirrel. They're enjoying the pancake I put out there for them. Red cardinals. Can't go wrong with seeing those. The females all around too. See it. A little bit. Okay, yeah. Saw the blue jay the other day, and now we got a red cardinals with some squirrels and some other birds. So yeah, and then we got snow again, so everybody's around on the bird feeders, and I'm also putting out a little extra food for wildlife because I love watching them. I can watch them all day long, especially this time of year when there's really nothing else going on. Charlotte just relaxing. She likes to watch them too, as you can see. Her and Rocky be fighting over that spot. Just more update on my wildlife critters. New double whammy, there's a woodpecker. Wow, I'm getting all this in one video. That's amazing. Look at that big old woodpecker. That is super cool. Let's see. Chowing down away. Just a real cold, snowy day. We got more snow. They canceled school again, so I'm just at home putting up videos. Well, I'm going to go now. If y'all like these type of videos, pets and plants, please feel free to give me the like. Subscribe here to the YouTube channel if you ain't already. And please hit the notification bell so you get every single video that comes out. Until the next one, may y'all have yourselves a blessed day. May y'all stay safe out there. And may God bless each and every one of you. Bye.